कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक ये यात्रा चलेगी, रुकेगी नहीं। बारिश आ रही है, बारिश ने इस यात्रा को नहीं रोका। गर्मी, तूफान, ठंड इस यात्रा को नहीं रोकने वाले, क्योंकि यही हिंदुस्तान का इतिहास है, यही हिंदुस्तान का डीएनए है।
All of us look up to this flag and salute this flag. This flag represents the religion of every single person who lives in this country. This flag represents every single state of our country. And today, brothers and sisters, this flag is under attack. It is very important that we bring the people of India together so that India is strong. And that is the aim of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. We see a government which preaches hatred, intolerance, division. We are taking this Bharat Jodo Yatra through the country is to remind the country that India does not believe in hatred. India believes in love and affection. कोई शक्ति इस पदयात्रा को नहीं रोक सकती, क्योंकि यह पदयात्रा हिंदुस्तान की आवाज है।